Hello everyone, good morning. Today I'm going to show you University District. Come, follow me. So this is just one of the many attractions at University District in Calgary. A very nice fountain here. And this University District is very close to the mall, Market Mall. Look at some of the wilds at University District. These are the geese. So that way is where you see a number of vehicles going south and vehicles going north is what you call Shaganapi Trail. Okay. Beautiful scenery here to drive, to bike, or to take a walk. And across the University District is the famous Market Mall. There you go. Yeah, that's the Market Mall there. This is a small body of water. And a fountain. It's beautiful today. I'm looking at the forecast here. It's 24 degrees right now, so nice and warm day. University District, Calgary. It's one of the newest places to live, work, study, all in one. There's University of Calgary, there's offices, there's hospital, the Alberta Children's Hospital, and there are condominiums. So University District, Calgary. If you're in Calgary, visit this place. So at University District, these are the row of condominiums. This one here being promoted by Maple. Live at maple.com. Newer buildings, newer condos. With nature just beside you. Look at that. Look at the nature. Look at the pathwalk. I just want to let you know that Calgary has one of the most extensive pathwalk system in North America. So yeah, people are enjoying biking, walking in Calgary. So that's the Alberta Children's Hospital, located within the University District. There you go. So I'm standing here at the corner of University Avenue and Smith Street. Yeah, this is a very well planned community. There's still some that are being built and to be completed. It's proximity to the Alberta Children's Hospital it's a bonus. That's the Alberta Children's Hospital. University District. Life works here at my University District.ca. So this is their Discovery Center. So they have a pharmacy. They have Starbucks there, Starbucks. And Sabon Foods, grocery store. Beautiful. There's a transit service. Scotiabank. Freshie restaurant. And there's 2-hour pre-parking if you visit the retail center here at University District. So Sabon Foods. It's beautiful here, especially in this nice weather. Nice vehicle there, right? Five Guys. YYC Cycle. They have a promo here. 1 month unlimited, $75. Sesame. Orange Theory coming soon. For 4135 University District Avenue. This one looks like an entrance to the Trump Tower in New York City, Manhattan. Yeah, there's a resemblance on it. It still has to be completed. Okay folks, so this is University District. Hopefully you enjoyed the presentation, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification to see more videos to come. All right, University District in Calgary. One of the best place to live here, and they have this Discovery Center here, so yeah, you may check it out. Discovery Center is open here at University District. All right folks, thank you and have a great day. Bye bye now.